Meaning of Hannah Arendt.
Hannah Arendt.
Hannah Arendt.
Hannah Arendt.
Hannah Arendt. Hannah Arendt, 1906 to 1975, was a German-born American philosopher and political theorist. She is best known for her exploration of the nature of power, totalitarianism, and the human condition. Arendt argued that it is only through active engagement with the world that we can achieve true freedom and create a meaningful life. Her theories continue to be influential in fields such as philosophy, politics, and cultural studies. Arendt's work remains relevant today as society continues to grapple with issues surrounding democracy, individuality, and the role of the state in our lives.